Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll share the change in Monopoly Go game. Please make sure to watch this video to the very end so you don't miss out on important information. In saying that, let's dive in. Alright, the first thing you need to do is make sure your Monopoly game is up to date by heading over to your Player App Store. Once that is done, open up Monopoly Go. And then you want to click on the three horizontal lines, the burger looking icon, top right hand corner of your screen. And then click onto your profile icon. And then where it says your name here, click on the pencil icon to edit it. So I'm going to change my name to Tutorial Wiz, submit. There is a minimum of 3 characters for your name as well, so please keep that in mind. Once you've done that, click on submit. And then change name you have chosen. Tutorial Wiz, you can change your name 3 times. Are you sure? So be mindful, you can only change your name 3 times as well. And then you can select an avatar if you want, or just keep using your profile picture from Facebook. Once that is done, click on save. And yeah, that's it guys for this video, how to change your Monopoly Go name. Thanks for watching this video to the very end. Please consider to like this tutorial and subscribe to our channel if you found it helpful.